How to get Spotify on Nintendo Switch. So, why does not Nintendo Switch support Spotify? Nintendo has always focused on delivering the best gaming experience rather than adding extra multimedia features. So, first, it's because there's no streaming partnership. Second, it's limited background processing. Third, design philosophy. So, how do you get Spotify on Nintendo Switch? So, what you can do is to convert your Spotify tracks to MP3 or FLAC using a reliable Spotify converter. Transfer the converted songs to your Switch micro SD card. Play them via TriPlayer, a lightweight music app for Nintendo Switch. So, what makes this special? Unlike some workarounds that require constant switching between apps, this method lets you enjoy uninterrupted Spotify background music while gaming. Your music keeps playing even when you're deep into boss battles or exploring open worlds. Once you've completed the steps, you'll be able to listen to your Spotify list in the background while gaming. And that is how to connect Spotify on Nintendo Switch.